Chiliz is a computerized money for tokenizing sports and diversion. This is a blockchain innovation that permits you to make items for customary purchasers. Chiliz was made by the socios.com stage to permit fans to associate all the more effectively with their number one groups. Cryptographic money gives fans the option to cast a ballot and the chance to take part in decision production for associations that join the socios.com stage. What's the deal with the Chiliz cryptographic money cost? Find out in Chiliz cost expectation for 2020 to 2025. Principal worth. Fan tokens are an authority crypto token that contains the marking of subsidiary games groups. With the assistance of tokens, fans get the option to cast a ballot and the potential chance to partake in navigation in regards to their number one groups. You can purchase fan tokens utilizing Chiliz tokens. Fans get extra pay through tokenization. Likewise, all groups that interface with the socios.com stage get a level of the commission charged for exchanges. The initial two groups tokenized on the stage were the Paris Holy Person Germain and Juventus football clubs. Then some more joined. West Ham joined together, Asociación Esportiva Roma, Club Atlético de Madrid, as well as the Aga Sports Group. Ownership of extraordinary marked accomplice club fan tokens will likewise give fans admittance to selective substance. Gamification, social associations, and list of competitors includes that will be sent off during 2020. Chiliz is centered around genuine games as well as on virtual. The stage will turn into the foundation of the Worldwide Player Association. The GPL is a fan-driven, universally versatile esports association, made for the present gaming and esports people group, controlled by the Chiliz token. Casting a ballot rights bought for tokens are carried out utilizing brilliant agreements that permit direct collaboration between GPL groups and their fans. Chiliz Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Chiliz costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Chiliz will be 17 cents. The greatest level that the CHZ cost can reach is 21 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 17 cents. CHZ value estimate for January 2023. In view of the value changes of Chiliz toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical CHZ pace of 12 cents in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 11 cents and at 13 cents. Separately, February 2023, Chiliz value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the CHZ cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 12 cents, while the greatest could reach 13 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around 13 cents. CHZ value estimate for WAC 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value changes of Chiliz in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal CHZ rate they foresee may be around 13 cents in WAC 2023. It can drop to 13 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 14 cents. April 2023. Chiliz value figure around mid-year 2022. The CHZ cost will be exchanged at 14 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Chiliz worth to 15 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 13 cents in April 2023. CHZ value estimate for May 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Chiliz costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 14 cents. The most reduced and top CHZ rates may be 14 cents and 15 cents. June 2023, Chiliz value gauge. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the CHZ cost will be around 15 cents. In June 2023, the Chiliz cost might drop to at least 14 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 16 cents in June 2023. CHZ value estimate for July 2023. Having examined Chiliz costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the CHZ rate could arrive at a limit of 17 cents in July 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 14 cents. For July 2023, the gauge normal of Chiliz is almost 15 cents. August 2023, Chiliz value gauge. Around mid-2022, the Chiliz cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 15 cents. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the CHZ cost could change somewhere in the range of 15 cents and 17 cents. CHZ value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Chiliz worth won't dip under at least 15 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is 18 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 16 cents. October 2023, Chiliz value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of CHZ costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Chiliz will be around 19 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 16 cents. In October 2023, the normal expense will be 16 cents. CHZ value estimate for November 2023. In view of the value vacillations of Chiliz toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical CHZ pace of 17 cents in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 16 cents and at 20 cents. Separately, December 2023, Chiliz value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the CHZ cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 17 cents, while the greatest could reach 21 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around 17 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Chiliz in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Chiliz will be around 24 cents. The most extreme expected CHZ cost might be around 30 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 25 cents in 2024. Chiliz value forecast 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Chiliz, in 2025, CHZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 36 cents and 42 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 38 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Chiliz and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base CHZ cost could drop to 56 cents, while its greatest can reach 65 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 57 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Chiliz by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least CHZ costs are normal in 2027, 95 cents and 78 cents. All things considered, it will be exchanged at 81 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of Chiliz. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical CHZ cost will be around $1.20. It could drop to at least $1.16, yet it actually could reach $1.37 all through 2028. Chiliz value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready conjectures at the cost of Chiliz. It is assessed that CHZ will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.73 and $2.04 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.77 during the year. Chiliz value forecast 2030. Digital currency investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Chiliz's cost. The year 2030 not set in stone by the greatest CHZ cost of $2.97. In any case, its rate could drop to around $2.46. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $2.55. Chiliz value forecast 2031. Following quite a while of investigation of the Chiliz cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their CHZ cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for something like $3.36, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $4.32. Overall, you can anticipate that the